TopFence's L-Feet Roof Solar Mounting Kit for solar roof mounting systems are made of high-quality L6005D5. The L-Feet kit is one of the core connectors of the photovoltaic support system and widely used for asphalt shingle roof. Metal roof asphalt roof structure are usually installed with roof L-Feet kit to fix solar rails, which are a common and convenient fastener for solar roof. Solar L-foot leg is in an L shape, providing sturdy and support, allowing for effective installing at a lot of angles and orientations. The components are easy to mount and can be used for flush as well as tilted structures on a large kind of roof types. It with a simple and straightforward design that allows users without expert to easily install it. One dubbed this the L-Feet has no complicated design and is easy to install without taking much time, making it the preferred rooftop solution. It supports installation in different scenarios and can be used on flat roofs, iron roofs, and asphalt tile roofs. 3-or L-shaped feet come with plates so you don't have to worry about waterproofing. It have been anodized to effectively resist oxidation and corrosion, thus extending their service life.